Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat within your game on Ludo King. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ludo King game on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your Google ID or your Facebook account. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to enable voice chat within your game, you can change this setting within the Play with Friends options. Go ahead and tap on this. And now you can create your room from the Create menu. Choose your board and your color. And then underneath the Select Lobby option, you will see the voice chat menu. Tap on this option and make sure that it is checked. And then tap on the next option. You will then be asked to choose your game type. After choosing the game type, click on a Create Room. And now you will need to refill your talk time if you don't have the King Pass. Tap on this button and watch a small ad. And once you have watched the ad, the voice chat will be enabled within your game. You can then proceed with inviting your friends or sharing the room code, and then you can start enjoying your game along with the voice chat mode enabled. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable voice chat within the Ludo King game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.